Nice, bullet for 3. Malakas, rebound by Pineda. Pass to Mendoza. Sa tutan neto. Malakas ang pasan. Mendoza para kay Tanedo.
Dahan-dahan sa ano natin.
Lumipat na pala si Tanedo. Nasa team radio na pala.
Sa YouTube.
Sa YouTube po.
Is foul. Kuya Don, Pineda. First personal foul. Bonus shot. Lady jumper. Second team foul by Team Rigi. And kompleto. All 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Tanedo. Pass pero hindi na-connect pero out of bounds. Same ball. Wala pa rin ang Team Rigi. 17 to shoot. Nice pass to Pineda for 2 points. Gandang pasa na sa ilalim. Pass to Miles. 14 shot lang. 10 shot lang. 5 shot lang. Turnover. There's number 6. 2 Miles. Nabitawan na bola. Out of bounds tuloy ang team. Bola ng Team Rigi. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Tanedo. Good. Pineda to Tanedo. Pula for 2 point. Paborito yun ni Tanedo. 10-6. Back to 4 para kay jersey number 34. Foul jersey number 6. Morales. Sino yun? Si Menes pala. Sorry. Bonus shot. Ready jumper. Completo. Official score 15-7. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. In the first quarter. Rebound by Pineda.
Set.
Nabitawan ko lang. Napunta kay jersey number 6. Foul. Jersey number 13. On the floor. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team Rigi. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Shot clock. Nice, wala. Napitaan. Napunta kay jersey number 34. Outlet pass to Mendoza. Mendoza yan. Pass to jersey number 13 for 2 points. Jersey number 13. Minutes and 10 seconds. Which will score 17-7. 10-point lead. By Team Rigi. Jimenez, napitaan bola. Recover pass to Miles for 2 points. By Miles. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Tanedo, Pineda. Nice pass to Mendoza sa ilalim. Gantang pasa mo ni Kuya Don. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Jimenez, malakas. Rebound by Fok. Napunta kay Morales. Pull up for 2. Short. Rebound by Tanedo. Tanedo ngayon. Rebound ball. Kay Oroseo. Oroseo to Jimenez. Pass to ball. Oroseo. Same ball. 12 to shoot.
Wala.
10 to shoot. Nice for 3. 12-19. Up to 6-point lead. 58 seconds. 50 seconds. 45 seconds.
Bigyan mo, push!
3 point Mendoza to Tanedo. Down to Jersey number 34 for 2 points. Official score 21-12, 30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Mendoza, lumipad, wala. Sa kanyang pre-rebound, block by Punsalan. 5 seconds. 2 points. After that, and the first